Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about what the meaning of exponent. Exponent, it means in first I will tell you a short story. 5 friends is going to a bakery shop to buy a piece of bread or a slice of bread. Okay, 5 friends. They buy 5 slices of bread. Each one of them, it costs £5. Okay, so the example or the number on this in this story, 5 friends and 5 piece of bread and £5. Number 5, it's called base value. Okay, how many repeated times? Number 5, excellent, super, 3 times. So the base value 5 times 5 times 5 is equals 5 power of 3. 5 exponent, it means how many repeated times the base value by itself. So 5 by 5 is equals 25 and by 5 is equals 125. Okay, so 5 power of 3 is equals to 125. Exponent, it means the base value, how many multiply by itself. Say, for example, 3 power of 3 is reading 3 is the base value and 4 is the power or exponent. The reading as 3 power of 4. 3, how many repeated times? 4 times. So the equations 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 by 3 is equals 9 times 3 is equals 27 times 3 is equals 81. So 3 power of 4 is equals 81. 5 power of 3, it means 5 is the base value, is repeated how many times? 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5 is equals to 5 power of 3. 5 by 5, 25 times 5 is equals 125. In this table, I will explain how to what is the base and what exponent in exponential form and how to reading, okay, in standard form. In this equation, 4 times 5 times 4, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 4 is a place value. How many repeated times by itself is a place value? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 4 exponent or the power is 5. How to reading and how to writing in exponential form? 4 power of 5. And how to reading 4 power of 5. The standard form, I will found the product 4 by 4, 16, and 4 by 4, 16, and 16 by 16 by 4 is equals 1024. Next example, factor of expanded form, 8 times 8 times 8. 8 is called what? A place value. 8, how many repeated times? 3 times. 3 is called exponent or a power. How to reading or how to writing in exponential form? 8 power of 3. Okay, and standard form 8 by 8 is equals 64 times 8, 512. Okay, any problem in this slide? you understand what's the meaning of exponent? Exponent, it means what? Excellent, ممتازين. Exponent, it means the base value, how many repeated times by itself. Okay? More about exercise 7 power of 4. Seven power of 4, it means 7 is repeated how many times by itself? 4 times. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Seven power of 4 is equals to 2,401. Next example, 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. What's the base value? Excellent, the base value is 3. How many repeated times by itself? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the power or exponent is 5. Okay, 3 power of 5 is equals to 3 by 3 is equals 9 by 3. 27 by 3, 81 by 3, 243. Next equations, 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4, it means the base value, how many repeated times by itself? 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals 4. Times 2 is equals 8. Times 2 is equals 16. So 2 power of 4 is equals 16. 9 power of 3. 9 by 9 is equals 81. 9 power of 3 means the base value, how many repeated times? 3 times. 9 by 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is equals 81. 81 by 9 is equals 729. Okay, next example. Notes or some notes to exponent. 5 power of 1 is equals 5. 6 power of 0, any number power of 0 is equals 1. So if I write if I write 3, any number power of 0 is equals 1. If I write 3 power of 0 is equals what? Is equals 1. 7 power of 0 is equals 1. Any number 49 power of 0 is equals 1. Any number power of 0 is equals 1. 10 power of 2, it's mean 10, how many repeated times by itself? 2 times. So the base value is repeated 2 times. 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is equals 100. The word problem in exponent. A certain book has 2 power of 4 page. How many page in this book? 2 power of 4, it's mean 2 is repeated how many times? 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals 4. 4 times 2 is equals 8. 8 times 2 is equals 16. So the certain book is equals 16 page. What the 7 to the 5th power? So the equation 7 power of 5. Seven power of 5. Okay, so the base value 7. The power or exponent, how many repeated by itself? 5 times. So 7 times 7 . 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is equals 49. And 7 times 7 is equals 49. 49 times 49 times 7 is equals 16,807. Okay, next example. More notes. 3 power of 0 is equals 1. 0 power of 4, 0. The base of value. And power, any number. 0 of any number is equals 0. Okay. Negative 2 times negative 2 power of 2. When we even number, power of even number, we will get the positive number. Negative 2 power of 2 is equals 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals 4. Okay. Again, this is a mistake. Negative 2 power of 2. It means negative 2 times negative 2. Negative and negative, it will be positive number. 2 times 2 is equals 4. So negative 2 power of 2 is equals 4. Okay. When we get the odd power or odd exponent, negative 4 power of 3, it means negative 4, it's repeated how many times? 3 times. Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Okay, negative 4 times negative 4 is equals 16. We will decide negative and negative, it will be the positive number. Okay, and 16 times 4 is equal 64. Negative 64. Okay. So the product, it will be negative 64. When we get power, the odd number, negative, the base value is negative and the power is odd, it will be the negative number. When we get the negative number and the power is even number, it will be the positive number, okay? This is the last example. See you later. Thank you.